Hello guys, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 35 of using 50,000 capital for the 50 trading days. So today's session, Nifty open gapped up almost like around ten points odd, and then there was a volatile moment in the first candle wherein Nifty went down to around yesterday's low wherein 19,767. So I waited to check if the price was able to sustain over there. However, I was making an entry. Yesterday, I was not able to update the trade which I had taken using the 50,000 capital because of some of work. So, however, I will show you the profit that I made. I'm not going to count it, but overall, if you see over here, 90,800 put for this weekly expiry, I had bought around 500 quantities, and average price was around 97, and I sold it at 101. Overall, the profit that I made from this trade was around 1500. However, because of the work, I was not able to record the video and upload it. But that was a trade wherein I had taken the trade where in the 90,800 put, and market was pretty sideways, and the premium was decaying too much over here. If you see, yesterday also there was a lot of volatility created. There was a sideways momentum, and then there was a breakout, and again we saw a huge dump. Usually what is happening, this is like they are pumping the market up, and then again in couple of candle itself there is a dump in the market. Is like the terminology that is used as pump and the dump system. So that's what was happening yesterday. If you see with respect to this, yesterday's high was 19,825, 825 to 827. So with that aspect also, today if you see, exactly the Nifty took the resistance at that same spot. 19,825 was a high of the today, and then there was like in the one candle we saw a huge moment, drop in the Nifty, wherein Nifty came around to 19,790 odd levels. So with that aspect, what I thought, like I made an entry. Let me show you the trades that I took over here. If you see here, I bought around 19,850. Initially, I had bought around 300 and then 200 quantity overall. The average price was around 76 roughly over here, and the capital also was lesser. So, but what happened? I had put a order to at 85, but however the premium came up to 83 rupees, and then again the premium went on decreasing. So hence what I did is like I bought again few quantities. 90,000, I added 100 quantities over here. So overall I had around 600 quantities cumulatively, which I had around 500 quantities early morning, and then I added 100 quantities. So the average price came around somewhere around 73 rupees odd level. So in between, the market was very sideways over here. If you see, there was Nifty was making sideways momentum, and then the premium was decaying as tomorrow is the expiry. So with respect to that, so and I thought of like when the Nifty came over here, I thought of like that Nifty would break the day low, but however I was not able to execute the trade. Then again I waited over here, and then even though if it was breaking at this point, I thought of like this the because of the sideways momentum the premium would decay. So what I did is like exactly I exited my trade at uh, 1140, wherein I trailed my stop loss to 74, and it got triggered exactly at 1140. If you see over here, and Nifty, if I move on to the Nifty chart over here, 1140 over here, in this candle itself I exited. I thought like Nifty would take the support at the same zone wherein it was acting as. So I waited for entire almost 2 hours to in the trade, and I was not able to gain the momentum because of the sideways action. But however, I exited at the exact time, and then there I saw a huge crackdown. Wherein this premium, what I exited at 74 rupees, this premium went on to around 160 plus. So I was not able to gain the momentum exactly, but however my intention was that premium was decaying with this multiple supports over here also. So I thought like at this point, let's trail the stop loss, and exactly the premium high was around 77 cup, wherein the market came over here at this point over here. So and from 77 itself the premium was coming down to 70 to 65 odd levels. It was trading in that zone. So I thought of like to exit in that trade, and then I exited, and then again I made an entry in the same strike price with 200 quantities. If you see, I made exactly after another 4 minutes, I made an entry in the same trade, and I executed my trade with at 1150 because the premium was not increasing, and again I missed the trade. So it happens. But because of the early morning, also 19,800, the put writers were heavy. There was a heavy put writing at the strike price, and so I thought like because of there will be sideways momentum, and I was not able to capture the momentum at that point. So, however, in between, if I show you the overall positions over here, I made around in this strike price 11,000 or 1,250, and I had some. I bought around 19,800 call randomly to, like, not randomly exactly, but I wanted to carry this position. Let me show you the order history wherein I had made the entry over here. If you see the 90,800 call, I bought at 320, and then I exited at 322. Thought I was thinking of carrying it, but I was not. I was hesitant because the Nifty was closing at almost the resistance level of 820 odd level. So I thought of like not to carry it. With that respect, I closed my position, and however, in between, I had made the 90,850 put. So overall, I was able to gain around 2,000 in this trade with this smaller position, and even I had made around in 90,750 put. So overall, cumulatively, if I take around 2,000 was the profit I was able to make this trade make from the day 35. However, I have some positional trades for the 90,750 wherein premium has already decayed to 50%. So however, I'll be adding up the, I'll do the firefighting for the trades. For this trade, I'll be entering in some other trades also to nullify, or maybe to add. I might add up in the same position also. Like I'll be updating about this trade in the tomorrow's or the upcoming sessions for this trade, as this is a monthly expiry options I have. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.